Hi everyone, I'm Esther from ESSYCOOKS, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a classic tuna salad sandwich, but we're going to be making it vegan. So this is going to be a chickpea salad sandwich. You can use this replacement for tuna salad anywhere you would use it normally. So you can put it on bread in a sandwich, you can put it in a wrap, you can put it in a lettuce wrap, you can eat it as a salad, you can eat it on crackers, whatever you like. This is just totally an old classic staple. I actually think the chickpea version is even better than the tuna version. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this. I'm going to show you the fast, easy, basic version, so when you have like nothing in the house, you can still make this and it's still going to be amazing. And then I'm going to show you everything extra I add in to just take it up a level to make it taste even better. So of course, the first thing we're going to need is a 119-ounce can of just rinsed and drained chickpeas. I'm going to add that right into a bowl there. Next up, I have the juice of half a lemon. If you have a fresh lemon, great. If not, don't worry about it. You can easily just use lemon juice, about a tablespoon and a half. So I'm going to go ahead and just juice that lemon right on top of the chickpeas. And then I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of vegan mayo. If you want, you can use tahini or hummus instead. If you have hummus in the house, that's a nice replacement for vegan mayo, but honestly, the vegan mayo gives it more of that traditional tuna salad taste. So if you're looking for that, I would recommend vegan mayo. I'm going to be adding in salt and pepper to taste. One of my secret ingredients, even for the basic version, is Old Bay seasoning. So you can find this in your spice aisle, and traditionally it is used to season fish and stuff like that. So it actually adds really that sea sort of fishy flavor that you might be looking for, that East Coast flavor. So we're gonna add about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. Now, if you don't have Old Bay seasoning, just add a little bit of garlic powder instead. It's not going to bring out quite the same flavor, but it's still going to be delicious nonetheless. So I'm going to add that in. I like a full teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning because the flavor is just incredible. Before I add in my chopped veggies and things like that, I'm just going to quickly mash this. You can do it with a fork or you can use a potato masher, whatever you like. So I'm going to go ahead and mash up this mixture. This is the consistency that I like mine to be mashed. I've got about 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped red onion. And then next I have 2 ribs of celery. Really want that little crunch from the celery. It really adds to that tuna salad flavor, although this is chickpea salad. I think you guys are gonna love this. If you ever loved tuna salad, this is such a great replacement because I want these fairly finely chopped. And then I'm just going to go ahead and chop them up. We don't want to mash up the crunchy parts. That's why we're adding them in afterwards. So the celery and the onion, we just want to stir them in rather than mash them in. Now, I actually made this for my parents when they were visiting so that they would have a lunch when I left for work, and they were wondering what was in that recipe, why was it so good? And I'll tell you everything that I put in there, which I'm about to finish adding in. So if you're just doing the basic version, mix this up and it's ready to go, but we're gonna add a few extras in because it's just gonna make the flavor even better. Now, next we can add, to give it a little bit more of a fishy flavor, if you will, an ocean, a sea flavor, we can add in a teaspoon of capers, or we can cut up 1 nori sheet and put that into the mixture. I actually really enjoy both, so it doesn't matter either way. So I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of capers. I do wanna chop these up because the flavor, it's salty, it's powerful. If you've had capers before, they may or may not be for you, so just keep in mind. Add those right in. It's another flavor pack thing. I've seen people add relish into their chickpea salad. I personally don't ever really buy relish. But I'm gonna cut up 1 large dill pickle, really nice and finely, and I'm gonna add that in for a little texture and a little bit of extra flavor. And just gonna finely chop those up. All right, another way to add extra amazing, delicious flavor to this is about a 1/4 cup of fresh dill. So I'm just gonna chop that up as well. And mix that all together. Like I said, you can put this on a wrap, you can put it on a lettuce wrap, you can do whatever you like with it, you can just eat it straight out of the bowl, but I am gonna be making some sandwiches here. So I've got some high protein bread. This bread has like 5 grams of protein per slice, so you've got 10 grams just in your 2 slices, plus another 7 to 10 from your chickpeas. So if you want extra protein, just add some nutritional yeast to the mix. I'm just gonna put a layer of lettuce because there's already mayo in the mixture and that's just enough for me personally. You can add other toppings as well, like tomato, whatever you want. And then I'm gonna grab some of this beautiful mixture. And this is maybe gonna be a little messy, but I'm gonna place that right on there. Get as much on as you can. This mixture will make like 3 or 4 sandwiches. You can store it in the fridge and just assemble your sandwiches as you go. You don't have to worry about that. It stores beautifully for 3 to 4 days in the fridge. Make sure you keep watching if you want to see the taste test. My husband is about to pop on and give these little taste tests with me.
This feeling's really
Okay,
nice.
wait for the taste test. Time for the taste test. They're messy. That is so good. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.